Hi, I'm Jarkko Kaislaja, Technology Manager of Veneer. I'm going to talk about energy efficiency and sustainability in veneer production. Veneer production, and especially veneer drying, consume a lot of energy and create emissions. Emissions are mainly particles and drying VOC emissions. Energy price has increased lately and trends looks to be continue into future as well. Environmental legislation and requirements will be tighter into future as well. Mills need to adopt energy saving and emission control solutions. Energy saving start already in green veneer production. More uniform is moisture grades at the dryer infeed, more you save energy. Better moisture grading is achieved when more accurate analyzers are used. Potential energy savings are easily few percent because veneer is easier to dry to the correct final moisture content. Nowadays, normally 4 greened moisture grades are used in the softwood and 3 grades with the hardwood. Other big issue is optimizing veneer recovery and minimizing waste drying. With green veneer composer, you can clip out the waste, dry out only full sheets and reach good veneer recovery. You can reach remarkable energy savings and capacity increase in the veneer drying with green veneer composing. Block conditioning has effect to the energy consumption. Higher block conditioning temperature reduce dryer energy consumption easily few percent when veneers are already warm when they enter veneer dryer. Block conditioning can be heated with the recovered or secondary energy when primary energy is saved. Drying process is naturally key item for energy savings. Heat energy consumption can be reduced mainly with higher drying air humidity, tight and insulated dryer construction, and good drying process control, which consist of, for example, temperature, humidity, and speed controls. Water evaporation requires always same energy, so main point is to reduce energy that is used, wake up air heating, minimize heat losses, and optimize drying process so that over drying is avoided. Optimal drying geometry and jetbox design decrease electrical energy consumption and increase the drying capacity. Well-designed drying geometry with good heating solution reduce pressure loss in the system. Generally, pressure loss means energy losses. As continuous process, drying line should be running with good filling ratio continuously all the time. Pretty often, dryer efficiency is killed by poor filling ratio and dryer stoppages. Good uptime is must. There is huge energy saving potential to recover heat energy from dryer exhaust gases. Quite commonly, several megawatts per dryer is exhausted to the sky. With well-designed water scrubber, you can recover even 30% from the heat energy to the water that can be used, for example, in the block conditioning. Higher exhaust air humidity increased water scrubber's heating power. It's also possible to add air-to-air heat exchanger after dryer. In the cold hemisphere, mill air offices can be heated with dryer exhaust gases. Heating power is higher when cold air is heated up. It's possible to add air-to-liquid heat exchanger to the exhaust system. In this case, recovered heat might be used in many different applications. Dryer emissions come from extractable portion of the wood. Organic compounds in veneer dryer emissions comprise terpenes, resins, and fatty acids. Particulate matters and VOC depends on dryer heating type and wood pieces. VOC cause global warming. VOC have direct effect by absorbing heat radiation from the ground, but their indirect contribution is more significant. They react with hydroxyl radicals in the air, forming tropospheric ozone, which is greenhouse gas. They reach the stratosphere, they react with hydroxyl radicals forming water vapor, which is greenhouse gas. The gaseous, less volatile emissions as resins and fatty acids, and triterpenes that cool in the surrounding air and condensate to form small droplets. These droplets are also known as submicron aerosols. These submicron aerosols are known to cause the blue haze. In the nature, blue haze is emitted naturally from forest and can be even seen on the top of the coniferous forest. In many countries, VOC abatement is required by authorities, and same kind of requirements will become more universal everywhere in the world. Sustainable solution for VOC abatement is regenerative catalytic oxidizer, RCO. RCO is energy-saving solution that minimizes CO2 emissions. With catalytic abatement, there is not NOx or CO emissions. RCO has lower autothermal point that is critical when VOC content is smaller, like it is in veneer drying. In the field test, RCO was running autothermally even in cold winter days. Abatement VOC content makes also heat recovery easier. Exhaust gases energy content might be even higher when RCO is running autothermally. Hot and humid purified air create much more possibilities for heat recovery solution than dirty air that is normally coming from dryer. New Raute veneer drying R7 is developed to maximize drying capacity with minimal energy consumption. Dryer is furnished with patented jet nozzles and state-of-the-art dryer geometry. Heat transfer to the veneer is much better than in old dryers, and more uniform drying quality is achieved. Several technical solutions keep dryer performance in the higher level between dryer maintenance and cleaning days. Advanced humidity control with tight welded construction, heated sealant cell and makeup air control make possible to reach extremely high drying air humidity in all dryer zones. Makeup air can be heated with energy recovered from exhaust gases, or traditional way with steam, thermal oil or gas. Primary energy consumption is reduced when makeup air is heated with recycled energy or secondary energy like flash steam. Energy savings can be even several %. Drying line has automatic energy saving mode. Energy saving mode is activated automatically in different drying process situations that might occur in the line. New energy efficient vacuum feeder stacker is also available. Dry veneer analyzers are pivotal for good drying process control. Analyzers are not just for veneer grading. Analyzers are integrated part of the dryer process control and give feedback to the control. Accurate analyzers like Moisture Analyzer R7 makes dryer speed control more accurate. Best solution is obtained when grading is furnished with complete set of analyzer and veneer refeeder. Whole drying process is controlled automatically. Operator is more like a supervisor, not operator. With automated process control, dryer efficiency stays constantly in the higher level. Differences between shift and operators is apparent. New Raute drying line with RCO and heat recovery solution give you energy efficient, sustainable solution for dry veneer production. If you want to hear more, please take contact to Raute. Thank you for listening.